really cold and we're about to go surprise Kat with a makeover. She has no idea we're gonna do this, a total ambush. Ambush?
Ambush.
Let's do it.
Wait, high fives.
High five.
Hold on, wait. In a group.
We're doing this.
It's happening.
It's happening. Yeah, we're ready.
Hi, Camille.
Hi, Camille. Nice to meet you. Hi, Kat.
Here,
Yeah.
Shut up. It's an ambush! Ambush! Yes! Yes!
We're gonna do a makeover. Your turquoise table. We need to do your yard. We're gonna do a makeover for your outside space because you host so many people, the community and military families with the turquoise table. So girl, it's on. We're gonna come back in a few hours and we're gonna have a beautiful patio, a beautiful outdoor space set up for the turquoise table for this amazing Air Force family. We'll see you in a bit. Okay guys, we're out here in 31-degree weather getting ready to do an outdoor makeover for a beautiful space for Kat and Ross. Now what they do every Friday, they have something called the turquoise table where they invite the entire community, military and civilians, to come and celebrate and fellowship. I think that's such a beautiful idea, but her back patio needs a little love. So we're gonna get ready to put up a pergola, more tables, a bar, string lights. We're just gonna make it a beautiful and inviting space.
You know, the turquoise table got started out of a place of really need, a deep need in my life. What if this ordinary table, it's just a regular picnic table that I painted turquoise because it's my favorite color. What if we put it in the front yard as a whimsical, simple place to invite people to just come over for a quick cup of coffee, for happy hour, just a place to stop in and spend time together. And it worked. It's grown leaps and bounds. I never expected that this ordinary turquoise table in my front yard would become a movement. And there are now thousands of turquoise tables in all 50 states and 14 countries. So Kat has a turquoise table. And so I knew about that because people reach out to us and they like to tell me their turquoise table stories. You know, her story specifically resonates with me. A, she's a mother, and B, she's a military wife. And from what I have learned from her and other women who are military spouses, moving is so hard. It's hard on anyone, but it's especially hard when you know it could be temporary. And so community is even more so important, I believe. And so the fact that she was able to find community and meet people through the turquoise table, like, that just blesses my socks off.
Speaking of blessings, we had a lot of local community members volunteer to help make this outdoor makeover a success.
Hasta la vista, babies. Bye. Bye. We'll see you.
With all these volunteers, there's one very important thing to consider: hydration. Gotta stay hydrated, friends. With that in mind, we're headed to Illinois' most interesting soda maker, the Excel Bottling Company.
We're a third-generation family-owned company, and so Bill's grandfather, Lefty Meyer, actually caught a bank robber in the next town over called Germantown. And so he took the reward money he received from the bank robber, and he bought his first filling line.
Look at that.
And that's how I got started, actually got started in the soft drink business.
I'll help you hold.
Okay, orange pineapple.
Oh, hey, there's a thing happening here.
What a cool taste testing with unique flavors like butter cake, blueberry breeze, and red cream.
And we all did it. That was the best.
With our hair tamed for now, it's time to take a tour of the bottling plant. Not only do they bottle sodas, but they also have a brewery with craft beers that have been winning awards since the beginning.
All right, test this out. Cheers. So So thank you all for coming out. I see you've already gotten to work. I love that. I know it's cold as all get out. If you want hand warmers, we have them. I'm a Florida girl, sorry. I'm like, where's the sun, palm trees, and the beach? And I've got toe warmers as well.
To give Kat and Ross more space, we're building 2 turquoise tables.
We're gonna put the pavers here. Let's do this. And tables there, and then food. Perfect. Okay.
Well, no. It's 8 foot from post to post. Then you have another 2 foot on the end.
Okay, then we're okay. We're inside. It's about 30-something degrees outside. All right, so we have everybody working. We've actually changed the placement of the pergola. We were thinking it was going to be in front of the door, but because there's 2 doors flanking the back, the pergola makes more sense being in the middle with the tables on either side for everyone to work. So we've got everybody doing things. There's boxes, there's carpets, there's plates and things everywhere. So we're really excited, and we want you to stay tuned to keep watching how this makeover comes about.
I know I've mentioned it's cold, but shouldn't there be snow when it's below freezing? Because the weather didn't want to show the camera how cold it really was, we tracked down the closest snow we could find.
It is cold on my feet.
And with that out of our system, we made our way to Eckert's Farm for local favorites like fresh picked produce and lots of opportunities for giggles. We picked up some delicious baked goods and headed out for our next stop, a community building DIY with tons of military spouses. Community DIY events are more than an opportunity to learn a fun new skill. It's a wonderful way to build new connections and find talents you may never have thought you had. We want to give people the chance to say, I can. Inspired by our community DIY, we struck out to find our new talent.
It's warmer.
And it turns out it was foraging. We found a bunch of pine cones and thought they would be a great way to incorporate nature into our design. Plus, it's ridiculously cost-friendly. Kind of like free. Y'all, I've got to give a huge shout out to the USO for bringing their mobile food truck to feed this hungry crew.
The amazing volunteers that we have that we work with, and even more so, the soldiers and all the military personnel that we get to interact with. It is really amazing to see how appreciative they are of what we do, trying to let them know that we really think they are great people.
With the pergola going up nicely, we took a minute to chat with Brian Burjans about how Caliber supports military families.
Well, this project is fantastic. This is where we go into communities, military communities, and we do makeovers of homes. And it's important because you can't be serious and be committed to helping if you're not willing to roll your sleeves up and actually physically impact. Mission Welcome Home gives us that opportunity across the nation to really impact the lives of military families and really give back. Not just saying thank you, because you know what, thank you sometimes just isn't enough. You got to get down, roll your sleeves up, and actually impact, and this gives us that chance. And so we're thankful and honored to even be involved with moving with the military.
Guys, we have about an hour left before they get here, and we still have lights to hang, but I think we've come a long way from this morning. What do you guys think?
We got this.
We got it.
We got this.
Absolutely.
Adding a few finishing touches before Kat and Ross arrive, stringing lights up, moving the all-important greenery into place, and laying out some festive dishes for the perfect place to entertain new friends. And the night before this makeover, we snuck in one more DIY and made these ice lanterns with twigs and leaves to add another touch of nature, and threw in some battery-powered candles to make sure they lasted for hours. We repurposed a potting bench to serve as a rustic outdoor bar. To add some color and personality to the piece, we added some decorative and completely functional awesome glasses, a few of our favorite drinks, and to reinforce the idea of gathering around the table for nourishment of body and mind, fresh hydroponic lettuce from Eckert's. With everyone ready in the backyard for the reveal, we led Kat and Ross around to see their brand new backyard makeover.
So don't be afraid. All right, we're getting there. Not like there's anybody here. What do you mean? Okay, gotta keep coming a little bit more, tiny bit more. All right, so for all that you do for the community and what you've done with the turquoise table, building community, building family, we hope that you love your new outdoor makeover. Open your eyes. Woo! I want y'all to know that we don't do this alone.
I am still a little bit speechless. It's amazing. I didn't. Yes, absolutely, without a doubt. I did not think this could look this way. No matter what I would have tried, it wouldn't have. So I still can't even put words to it. I just didn't. Yeah. You got me good. You got me good.
Hey y'all, thank you for watching Moving with the Military. We hope you enjoyed this episode brought to you by Caliber Home Loans. And this is Mission Welcome Home. Thank y'all. Bye.
That's a wrap.
Right, that is
I have wanted to say that for years.
Who does an outdoor makeover in winter? We do. Okay.
This thing is like getting close to my face.
I know it was.
There we go.
I love that picture.
There we go. Roads, roads, roads. Lemon lime.
Yep, let's get it. Woohoo! Okay, bye. All right, bye.